Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a review on the brand new designer fragrance for women by Paco Rabanne that is called Pure XS. It has been launched just recently and I have been playing with it for a few days, so now I'm ready to tell you my thoughts about it. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why I am clothed like this, is because I've just come home from the university and I'm still a little bit cold, and I also find that my outfit matches the color of this fragrance. So let's start talking about it with the packaging. I find that the bottle looks so cute and I wish the fragrance were as nice as the packaging. So the actual design is quite nice. It reminds me of their XS fragrance, but it has this golden snake and it's just eye-catching for sure. So the advertising says luxuriant ylang ylang on hot vanilla with a popcorn burst, a provocative floral. And I was looking for the popcorn scent in it, and unfortunately I don't associate the sweetness of this fragrance with popcorn. I imagined something sugary, something fluffy, something with almost like a salty touch, and I got just a lot of sweetness. The opening goes right into that sweetness without anything citrusy, anything fresh, anything green. It is all about sweetness. This whole fragrance is on the sweet side till the very end, but in the middle stage it has some floral moment going on, not too much. They say ylang ylang, and I don't really smell ylang ylang in here. Ylang ylang is a beautiful flower. It has like a solar effect. It is sunny, it is warm, it is very strong, and in here it is hidden behind the sweets and you need to look for it if you want to smell it, but it is surely there doing its thing, but pretty quiet. So I told you that it stays sweet till the end, and that is surely true, but it turns into very typical designer scent. And when I smelled it, it reminded me of something very sweet, and I went ahead and tried it out side by side with Poison Girl by Dior, because it reminded me of that, but I've noticed that Poison Girl has some sweetness in the but I noticed that Poison Girl has some citruses in the opening, something caramelized, and the dry down of that one is more powdery than of this, and it is actually more dominant. It has a character, and this one almost has its own identity. I also noticed something similar to Alice Saab, Girl of Now, but that one is more milky and creamy and sweet. This one is a little bit different. And I miss the originality in this perfume. It doesn't really have a character. So I think that this is a perfume for young girls who don't really care about the originality, who want to smell sweet and very mass appealing and want their fragrance to attract young boys. If you are looking for something like that, then this is surely not the worst option. It is a pleasant perfume, but it doesn't really last long on the skin. I made 3 spritzes from the sample and I couldn't really smell the perfume throughout the day, so I went to the store and applied it from the bottle because I thought the distribution of the scent will be better if you spray it from the bottle. And once again, I was outside, the weather was perfect. It was pretty cold, it was not windy, not rainy, it was perfect. Any perfume could perform amazingly in the weather like that, and this perfume was just very quiet, which is not a bad thing. I'm just telling you that if you're looking for a very strong and long-lasting perfume, that is not it. This is the fragrance for colder weather for sure, because it is very sweet, but once again it doesn't have the best projection, so I would recommend it for dates or parties or some other adventures, but I'm not sure if people around you will be able to smell it, but it is quite pleasant, so you might get a compliment for it. And that was probably all I wanted to tell you. This perfume is on the sweet side, without citruses, without strong floral notes, without powderiness. It is sweet. So if you like fragrances like that, you want a nice packaging, you can surely try it out. And please leave me a comment down below if you have already smelled it and what is your opinion. And if you want more designer fragrance reviews from me, check out my description box where I will leave all the links. And please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned, smell good, and we will see each other really soon. Bye!